Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a new makeup tutorial because why not? And this is the look I came up with. I just used the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette because I've had it a while and I've hardly used it, so I thought I would use it today. So seeing as it's just been New Year and Christmas, I thought I would come up with a super glam look with glitter and lashes and the whole shebang, because why not? You never know what's coming up. And yes, I really hope you guys enjoy. Please keep on watching if this does look like something you'd enjoy. If you do enjoy, please give the video a like and leave me a comment, and please do subscribe if you haven't already because I appreciate it very much. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Enjoy the video. I'll see you in a few days. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so to start off this tutorial, this happened. Never have kittens, guys, because honestly, when I film, she just does whatever she wants to get my attention, and it's a nightmare. But anyway, so eventually I got back into the tutorial and I just used my NYX brow, I don't know what this is called, but it's just like an eyebrow product, and I just put this through my brows to fill them in. And yes, she did smash actual glasses, by the way. And then I took the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15 and I just used this to prime my eyelids, and I just took a face powder to set it down. I'm then going to take the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and I'm just going to go in with the shade Sourced on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this through the crease just as our transition shade. I'm then going to go in with the shade He Devil and just on a denser brush just start working up that colour just so our look remains warm. And then I'm going to add the colour Unfuego. I'm probably butchering that name, I'm very sorry. But I'm just going to add that like reddish tone just to start creating that burgundy red colour that we have at the end. And then I'm just going to take the shade Ashes just to deepen up the look. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe then going to go into the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay and just take that black shade Blackout. It's one of my favourite blacks. It's so pigmented, and I'm just going to start working that just in the outer V and just wing it out, just to add some drama and glam and, you know, all that jazz. And then I'm going to go back in with the MAC concealer and just cut out half the crease. Again, going over my natural crease because my eyelids are quite small and hooded. So this just opens my eyes and just makes it look a bit more dramatic and glam. You know, the way we want it all to look.
Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. If I quit calling you my lover, move on. You watch me bleeding till I can't breathe. Shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. I'm tripping over my...
And then I'm going to go in with a shade Scorched, which is like a lovely, really pigmented shimmery shade, and I'm just going to put that on top of where we cut that crease. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Ashes, and then that reddy shade that I will not try and pronounce again, and just blend it all together so it looks seamless. And then I'm going to take the Soap & Glory liner again that I always use, and just draw quite a thin line, nothing too extreme. And then I'm just going to take the NYX Glitter Primer and just place this on the inner corner. And then I'm just going to take some Barry M Gold Glitter and just place this on top in the inner corner, because I just wanted it to look a bit more glam and glittery and stuff, and all Christmassy and New Year-y, and you know, I just thought glitter was the way to go. And then I'm also going to add some glitter onto that Scorched shade, which is just the Peaches and Cream pigment. I'm then going to take L'Oreal's Paradise Exotic Mascara, whatever it's called, and apply a few coats to my lashes. I'm then going to take these lashes by The Lash Cult in the style Bethany, and I'm just going to glue these to my eyelids. And then I'm going to take NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Blackbean. This is the best eyeliner for the waterline in my opinion, so this is the one I'm using. And then I'm just going to take a brush and just smoke it out along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Ashes and just run this along that lower lash line as well, just so it matches the top. I'm then going to go in with the shade Ounce and just use this to highlight the brow bone. This just gives me a brow bone lift. And this is the final look. Apologies again for the weird angle at the start and the end and now, but you know, I hope you all enjoyed and I'll see you soon.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you all enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give this video a like and leave me a comment because I appreciate it very much. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed and I will hopefully see you in a few days with a new video. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Why do I have this the weirdest voice?